Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. Today I'm really excited to introduce a new tool in our Divi Assistant plugin, and it's for cleaning HTML text that you paste into Divi. So anytime you are pasting text from Microsoft Word or Google Docs or ChatGPT or anything like that, you are leaving tons of stuff behind. And let me tell you, some of it's actually for tracking purposes. That's how these AI tools work. And it's leaving behind lots of HTML in your text that you probably didn't even see. Plus, there's also instances where you just have really messed up HTML. Now, of course, there's tools online where you can go and look up like HTML cleaner and then like paste your code and or text and then come back and copy it and put it into Divi. But why not have it directly in the builder? That's what we thought. So Divi Assistant already has 150 tools included. It's kind of the ultimate toolkit for Divi. So we thought, hey, it would be so cool. I mean, I always build stuff that I want. I kind of wanted this. This was for me. Anytime I'm pasting text, I mean, it can be from any other external source. There's all this junk, and it's like I'm the type of guy who would go down through and like hit backspace and try to clean it up manually. I'm just like, this is getting annoying. So anyway, let me show you how to do this with our new feature. So it's just it's just so convenient, honestly. Maybe you had something like this happen where you were getting carried away with some formatting, or you just went in here and you're like, yeah, look at this stuff. So it's kind of silly, but I know. There's all this formatting. And watch, when I click here, of course, when you're on the visual tab here, you might not even notice it. Wish this was a little wider. There we go. So check it out. So it's all this crazy formatting. And if you clicked on the text tab, which I still think this should just say HTML, just anyway, this is what it might look like. You might see all kinds of like divs. You might see style, font size, something, and color something. A lot of that gets inserted when you copy from any kind of AI tool or Google Docs and stuff. You'd be surprised how much the font sizes and the stuff it leaves behind. So there's spans. Look at this. Random broken spans. There's line breaks randomly in here. There's all kinds of junk. All right, so you can see here, clean HTML. Now, obviously that feature is enabled by our plugin. So let me go show you that. So go in here to the dashboard, PA Creative, go to Divi Assistant, and we put it under Visual Builder Helper HTML Cleaner. Gets its own little sub tab there. I already have it enabled, but if it was off, it would of course look like that. So when you enable it, you get all of these options. Now, these toggles here are not cleaning it now. They're just telling you what can be available to clean in the builder. So I put them all enabled. Okay. So in other words, each toggle here that I have represents a checkbox here. So I actually turned more on. So I'm going to refresh. Right. So if I had remove inline styles right here off, you wouldn't even see the checkbox here. It wouldn't appear, right? I mean, I can show you a couple. Like here, like this one advanced. We probably don't need this one. We probably don't need to do that right now. I don't know. Whatever. I guess. Yeah, like we probably don't need that. Anyway, if I save that, you can see I removed that one. Now when I'm clicking here, you won't even see that one. See, the first one now is empty tags, which is the second one. Okay, very simple, right? The toggle turns it on or off. Now, I actually want all of them enabled right now. The other cool thing that we did is basically see how that's not selected. Whichever state that you leave it in. So like, let's say I went down through, I'm like, okay, I want this one on and that one off and that one not selected. And I click clean. When I come into another text module later, it'll always like keep the last used checkboxes, if that makes sense. Because I didn't really want to add another setting. Like I was like, oh, I could add another setting for each one and like default checkbox selected or not. And I'm like, once you select it, it'll stay that way for the next time. I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm going to clean HTML and boom, look over here, added already. Just look at that. Look at that. So again, I'm going to paste what I had. There you can see all those extra spans and all that stuff, right? Now I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to make sure everything is enabled just to, and you might not need to, but I'm just showing you. Look how it cleans that up. Really nice and super convenient, right? You don't you don't really want to have to come in here and remove all that manually. So that's always going to be there. Every text area like this, obviously not like a link or like here. So obviously not like a title field like that because it doesn't support HTML. So like here where it does support HTML, if I paste again, I can clean it up in that module as well. All right, cleaned up there as well. So really cool tool. And by the way, if you're wondering about that, I'll do another video on that. Custom placeholder images with sizes. You can customize the placeholder text. See how it says test there? That's a whole other thing. It's another feature in our plugin. We have 150 tools in that plugin. So I really hope you like this. Cleaning the messy HTML. Of course, it requires Divi Assistant, but with all the features that Divi Assistant has now, it's worth getting. There are over 150 tools, and it's the first thing that I install, and I'm genuine. Like I've made it for my use cases, and more than likely, a lot of those things affect other designers as well. There's a reason it's a popular plugin and our flagship plugin. So if you want an HTML cleaner built right in, there you go. We have it in Divi Assistant now. I hope you enjoy that.